Hello guys, welcome to my channel. In this video I'll be unboxing the Movo VXR10. So let's get right into the video. So first thing I see when I open the item is some instructions. Probably how to build the mic, what it's capable of, and we got if we want to give some feedback and who to call. And this is the mic with windshield on, and this is without it. Looks pretty nice, and the texture of the windshield is pretty fluffy, and it's the size of my palm. This is for the DSLR camera cable, and this is for the smartphone if you want to log on your smartphone, and this is the microphone holder, very hard to put on, and this is a little case where you can put your microphone in. I hope you like this little short unboxing video. If you want to see more, make sure you subscribe and like, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye!